Hello there, my fellow Force users. This is Obi-Wan Sabers, and I was Kevin. However,
that name no longer holds any meaning for me.
Going forward, I am Bran Dagda. Welcome fellow Jedi, Obi-Wan Sabers. We're going to do another video today on the functionality of the RGB S4 and the RGB S16 soundboards. There's the TXQ has their two different versions of RGB, so one's a little bit more basic than the other one, so we'll go through the functionality. This video was brought to us from a previous viewer who watched our commented on the LGT or TXQ saber video. So he wanted specifically to find out what the functionality was like on the TXQ E01 saber. We affectionately call it the Sincillo. It's a very simple name, it's a very simple looking saber. Easy to hold on to, it's got a nice grip, it's got very, like all the contours in it, very great. Easy for spinning, it's well balanced. So yeah, we're going to do a teardown on this one as well. So we'll show you how the saber is actually laid out, and then we'll go through all the different functions on both versions of the board so you can see exactly how they work with the single button configuration. So stay tuned with this. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna break this down. We're gonna show you exactly how it works. There are two versions of the RGB S4 and the RGB S16. I've got each of them here. And I'm going to show you the functionality. We're going to do a quick teardown just to show how simple it is to take apart, get into it, get the core out and everything, and then we'll run through a complete functionality of the lights and sounds and whatnot. So stick with us. Let's see what we've got here. So we got the S4, a couple of different colors here. The Sincillo comes in 6 different colors. There's the gold that you see here, the black, silver, gray, red, and blue. I think that's 6. Anyways, head over to the website. We'll list the link in the description below. But we have a pommel, and as you can see, this pommel has the threads on the inside, so you can actually double blade these guys and put them together. So we got the pommel. Here's our grip. Here is our, there's no separate emitter here, but here's the core, battery access. It's RGB, so there's no SD card. On-off buttons, part of the core. To remove the core, there is a set screw right there. You take that out with a supply tool, and we've got the 2 set screws for the blade, which goes in the end. All of these are set up pretty much the same way. They're that simple. Henceforth, we call it the Sincillo. So here we go. Now that we've got a complete breakdown of this very simple looking, nice, elegant saber, let's run through functionality.
Volume. High volume. Kenobi. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. General Kenobi. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Ahsoka.
I vote him.
Ahsoka.
Anakin.
The Butcher.
Leia.
Prepare a boarding party.
Face off. Face off. Face off. Face on. Motion control off. Motion control on. Motion control off. Motion control on.
So there it is. There's the functionality breakdown of the RGB S4, the RGB S16 that we did on the Sincillo lightsaber. You can find that on the website. Leave a link in the description there for you so you can go right to it, get your own if you want. Feel free to check out the rest of the sabers on the site. We're adding stuff all the time. A lot of prices just came down in the last month or so, so check those out. We do have payment options, which not a lot of saber sites have. So we want to make sure you guys get your sabers. So also check out our Holocron Archives. I've started a blog series on there on Journey to Jedi. It's how living as a Jedi on Earth, connecting to the Force, what it means to you, what it means to be a Jedi on Earth. Not so much the fictional belief or the religion kind of thing. It's more of a spiritual journey. Like I say, connecting to the Force and going that route. So please be sure to check that out. So I hope in the next video we're going to do the Guard SE, TXQ's Guard SE. They just came out with the Temple Guard lightsaber. It articulates, so you get the double bladed. The Guard SE is like a single bladed or a single hilt version. Two different colors on that one. There's a black one, there's a white one. So it's the same design, just a different color. And Yeah, and then shortly after that one, we'll actually get the Temple Guard full saber in here, and we'll do a breakdown and a review on that as well. Thank you for watching. May the Force be with you. Bran Dagda signing off for today.